Congratulations on signing up for Epic Learning Hub 99. You're all set to begin an exciting and rewarding learning adventure that will help you grow and succeed in so many different ways. This is your personal dashboard, your very own hub where all your learning tools and resources are gathered in one easy-to-use place. From here, you can access a wide variety of lessons, quizzes, and activities tailored to make learning both fun and effective. Whether you're excited to improve your math skills, explore fascinating science concepts, dive into history, or become a reading expert, you'll find everything you need to take your learning to the next level. You can also track your progress in real time, so you'll always know how much you've achieved and what's coming up next in your journey. As you complete lessons, you'll earn rewards, unlock new challenges, and gain badges that show off all your hard work and accomplishments. There are endless opportunities for learning, growing, and having fun, all right here on your dashboard. Get ready to start your learning adventure today and discover just how exciting and rewarding learning can be. Once you've finished a lesson, it's time to put everything you've learned to the test and see how much you've truly mastered. The Quiz Zone is the perfect place to do just that. In Quiz Zone, you'll find a variety of quizzes covering all the topics you've learned so far. These quizzes are designed to challenge you, test your knowledge, and help you remember important facts in a fun and interactive way. As you work through each quiz, you'll be able to assess how well you've understood the material and identify any areas where you might need a little more practice. Every correct answer gets you one step closer to unlocking amazing rewards, so it's not just about learning, it's about earning too. Plus, you can track your progress as you go, so you'll always know how far you've come and how much more you can achieve. Whether you're taking your first quiz or challenging yourself to improve your scores, Quiz Zone is a fantastic way to reinforce what you've learned, test your memory, and build your confidence. Don't forget, every quiz you complete gets you closer to mastering the material and earning your next achievement badge. Learning doesn't have to feel like hard work all the time. In fact, at Epic Learning Hub 99, we believe that learning should be fun and engaging, which is why we offer a wide variety of interactive games that allow you to practice your skills while having a great time. These games are designed to make learning feel like a fun challenge, where you can apply what you've learned in a relaxed, enjoyable way. Whether you're improving your math skills with exciting number puzzles, practicing your vocabulary with flashcards, or diving into brain-teasing challenges that sharpen your critical thinking, there's always a game to help you master new concepts. Not only will you get to practice what you've already learned, but these games also give you the chance to reinforce your knowledge and skills in a more hands-on way. Each game is carefully designed to make learning feel like an adventure, so you won't even notice that you're building up your expertise as you go. The best part is, you can play these games over and over, perfecting your skills and enjoying every moment of it. If you ever find yourself needing assistance or have any questions along your learning journey, don't worry. Help is just a click away. Simply click on the Help button, and you'll be connected to our friendly and knowledgeable support team. Whether you're having trouble with a lesson, need clarification on a quiz question, or just aren't sure how to use a specific... Now that you know all the amazing features of Epic Learning Hub 99, it's time to dive into your learning adventure. Click the sign up button and start exploring today. Follow us on social media for updates and tips. See you inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.